And did you see his names on That's awesome.
I didn't wear makeup tonight for a reason. For real? This is for real?
Yeah.
You have no idea. Oh my God. Oh, thank you so much.
The other thing I want to tell you is that we want to send Brandon with you as well. So, well, you know,
Not
if,
too sure.
yeah,
Got
if
into
he's,
some trouble last week.
Okay.
I don't know if
yeah,
he's able to.
if he's able to, then we are willing to do that.
Really?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh my God.
So,
Oh.
this is a little card we made you, and then this is the formal letter letting you know what we're offering you. These are passport applications.